No, you can't scare me. I'm not a dumb shit like you are. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's kitchen. It's like 5:15 on a Friday and my son's yawning already. Today we are making, oh, excuse you, Keto Meatball sub sandwiches.
Why?
Because you guys can eat it regular and I can eat keto.
What's regular?
And I'm going to show you what keto. So I buy these, I only have one left. So I buy my keto rolls.
You ate 9 rolls today?
Not today. These have been,
Yesterday.
I've had these for like 3 weeks. So I freeze them.
How many days is 3 weeks?
21. And
1 divided by 9.
No, there's no dividing by 9. So I buy these and you get 10 rolls. It's a little pricey. All keto shit is pricey, of course. So it's called Wio Foods.
The cost of beauty.
Yeah, really, the cost of losing weight. Wio Foods. It's online. You order it. And the rolls look like this. And each roll is 2 grams of carbs. So this is going to be my dinner. I also buy my tortilla chips there, and I will tell you right now, I like their tortilla chips better than I like any tortilla
You're just
chips.
eating a roll, no meatballs?
No, I'm eating the meatballs. I can eat meatballs, cheese, the sauce. I have the pasta sauce simmering here, my spaghetti sauce. And once the meatballs are ready, I'm going to bake them. So once they're ready, I will throw them in the sauce, and I'll let those simmer for like an hour to have the meat flavor the sauce. So,
What, flavored meat?
I like flavored meat. So over here, you always put me in these fucking stupid spots. I have a pound of extra lean ground beef and then a package of ground hot Italian sausage. And then I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder. It's all mixed up in here. A half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper.
Why don't you touch it with your finger?
Because I'm cooking it.
Picked your nose before this.
I did not pick my nose. And then I have a small chopped, like a little, I'm not even a quarter of a small onion chopped, and then a garlic clove chopped in here. And I'm going to incorporate that. I should be using a spoon, actually.
Yeah, you should.
Well, I'm cooking for you guys. I'm your mother. I gave birth to you. And then here is kind of a binder. Instead of breadcrumbs, I have 2 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan and then a tablespoon of grated Parmesan. I'm putting it in here as well. And 1 egg. So there's no breadcrumbs. I'm going to blend this up. So it's all incorporated. Yes, I'm going to shape these into meatballs. I'm going to bake them for 30 minutes on 350, and what I'm going to do after 50, I'm going to set the timer for 15 minutes. I'm going to flip them all, and then I'm going to bake them again for 15 more minutes, and then add them to the sauce.
Drop them in the sauce.
So when we come back, the meatballs will be coming out of the oven, and I'll be putting them in. What are you doing? Are you making fun of my hands again?
I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
I like my nails this time. I got some chrome going on my nails. I like them. So I'm going to bake them. When they come out, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to put them in the sauce. It's not like a teaching thing. And then we're going to show you the taste test. Okay? So thank you for tuning in. I'll be back once these are baked. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Check out the press conference. In the clinch? Is that what it's called? In the clinch?
Yeah.
And I'm not saying the other one.
Clickbait.
No, clickbait is filthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not for
Not for what?
normal, average people. Like normal people. So I'm gonna bake these and then we'll be back. Welcome back to Mama Deb's kitchen. Do I do that? Is that what I do all the time? So, meatballs are done. These were baked. I actually baked them I did 15 and 10 because they were small. I made 30 meatballs out of that batch. I make small meatballs for meatball sandwiches because who wants to bite into a big ass meatball, right? You know, you're trying to finagle it and shit, you know what I mean? So now I'm going to put them in my sauce. And these will not only be drenched in sauce now, but they'll flavor the the sauce with the Italian meat flavoring, in there. Look how easy peasy those are to make. You just bake them. You don't have to fry. Like a lot of people will fry them and stuff. I don't ever do that. Actually, my brother taught me how to make meatballs a long time ago. This is kind of his recipe, but there's no breadcrumbs because we're doing it keto. You want to just do a taste test on the meatball?
Yeah. That's good.
I mean,
That is good.
does it taste different without the breadcrumbs? I mean, you didn't even notice that they're not in there
No.
for keto? Because you've eaten the meatballs I make before, but
I didn't know you put breadcrumbs in your meatball.
I did. Well, you have
I lied
to
to my whole
binder. Why, you don't like breadcrumbs either? You just ate that whole meatball. But they come out really good. And when you do the keto, like when I go into my carb manager, I'll do I'll give you guys the right grams of carbs. But I know these are 2, and I know that you can eat 3 ounces of meatballs in spaghetti sauce for like maybe 2 more. He does do you want a meatball sandwich?
No. That's one meatball.
He's going out, so he's eating out tonight, but. So he just rudely interrupted my spiel here. I don't even know what was I fucking saying?
You were just dragging on.
Rambling?
Just rambling about, politics.
No, I did not. I don't even want to talk about politics on here. Keto. Back to keto. So cheese is. So I'll give you the exact for my little roll. I'll do everything separate so you know exactly how many grams of carbs are on there. You can't scare me. I'm not a dumb shit like you are. We'll do that when we come back. I'm just gonna let these simmer for a little while so they flavor the sauce, and then we'll come back, and I'll have my little roll ready, and I'll eat it and show you, and I'll share the recipe. I've already shared the spaghetti sauce recipe. I may share it again for you because it's so good. It's so easy, and we'll come back, and you'll see the little meatball sandwich I make for keto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I love messing with him because he's ready to stop me and do his little tricks and everything, and I just keep it going. I'm ready. And we are back. And this is how I set up my little roll. So what I did was I chopped up 2 meatballs. I melted my mozzarella. I did mozzarella today. Cheese. I cut out a little bread, and I did not waste my bread. I dipped my bread in the sauce so I could enjoy my bread. And look how cute. It's a little meatball sandwich with provolone or mozzarella cheese.
I don't even know what you're using, do you?
No, I use mozzarella. I said that. Spaghetti sauce. Oh my god. And the Wio roll. So the roll is 3 grams of carbs. Sorry. The meat is 0. The sauce is probably 2. So we're looking at 5 grams right there. Carbs.
3 plus 2 is 5.
Yeah. So that was to him, not to you people. And I want to thank the girl that commented and said he was rude to me. It's my son, and he just messes with me the whole time I'm on here.
I was gaslighting you.
Yes, you were gaslighting me and being mean to me. Thank you, honey, for sticking up for me.
They don't know what you do to me off camera.
So this is it. Meatball sandwich.
Shit you put me through.
And if he gets his crap together and edits down my nephew's baklava recipe, it's not going to be keto. But that might be our next episode or the one following that. But this episode is keto meatball sub sandwich. And this is actually good for me. Right now I'm down 7 pounds. And I have cheated. I'm not going to lie. I cheated. I had a bear claw the other day. But I'm definitely in ketosis. And so I am still down 7 pounds, which I'm happy about. It's been 3 weeks. So my goal is 15 more and I'm good.
What's 15 plus 7?
22. Thank you for joining us. He's quizzing me again like I don't know math or some shit. We will see you next week. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. We need subscribers. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I'm not really hepped up about the 2 teams in the Super Bowl, but we'll be doing that this Sunday. This airs after Super Bowl.
Yeah.
So we don't know who wins yet. I'm thinking the Chiefs are going to win, but I'd like to see the 49ers win. Thank you for joining us. Have a great week.